Hello everybody, and welcome to another episode of Pokemon Kid. Every 2 years, people, every 2 years there's an episode coming at you from this channel where we fail every single day. Christmas comes more often than my episodes. I've got 2 blisters of the newly released Sun and Moon Unbroken Bonds set. As you can see, each have the same promo card and coin. So let's just open it, everybody. There we go. Let me show off the code. this promo card, yay. So here we have a Hollow Typhlosion. The same is in here, so I'm not going to show it off when we open that box. Over here, we have, looks like a Hydreigon coin. It's actually pretty nice metallic color. And we have, most importantly, the packs. Ooh, look at these artworks. Oh man, that is beautiful. I haven't opened a pack in a long time. So another Typhlosion, and I'll take that out later. Actually, I can throw it over here, okay? So, we have the Machamp and Marshadow? Man, I can't believe I was like saying it over and over in the car earlier. And I forgot again. Oh man. I really hope we get the tag team card for Gardevoir and Sylveon. That's a nice card. The Melmetal and Lucario is really nice. So, we're on the first pack. Whoa. These packs are a lot stronger than I remember. And code card. So, I believe the trick is 1, 2, 3, 4, and this is energy. You guys probably saw that. These 3 cards, I didn't. So, here we go. Oh, look at these new energies. Okay. Oh, Ghastly, Carvanha, Togepi, Esper, Squirtle. I'm really liking the tag team cards, like that were introduced in Pokemon Team Up. We have a Lucario Reverse. Is that a rare? That's a rare. Awesome. Nice way to start off the video. Alolan Dugtrio. The tag team cards. So if you don't know, the tag team cards, like their whole thing is that the more energy you put into them for their GX attack, the more useful it becomes. So there was recently, I don't know if it's in this set or not, but there's like an Alolan Executor and Rowlet tag teams. I get mixed up with the earlier the set before this one. I was gonna show off that, but Goldeen. So the Alolan Executor and Rowlet tag team. Ooh, the Torrent Surge's strategy. Oh, okay. 2 trainers right off the bat. Reverse Aeron and Meowstic. Their GX attack is. I just forgot. Wow. I already said it, so it's just out there. Okay, it goes. Oh man. I haven't recorded in a long time. Forgive me. So. Wow. That's just embarrassing. I seriously, I just blanked out. It's really cool. I'm like advertising without knowing my product. Okay. Tentacle. I hope you guys are having fun. Man, why can I not remember that GX attack? It's really cool, but like not cool enough to remember. Man, okay. Wow. I hope I can find an Alolan Executor in here to show you guys. It's just terrible. Ooh, white code, white code, white code. And voice crack to go with it. I'm feeling good about this one. Good. Okay. Let's grab Alolan Executor and Rowlet. Alolan Executor and Rowlet. I just showed off like the next 3 cards. Beastbringer. If you have exactly 6 prize cards remaining, and if your opponent's active Pokemon GX or Pokemon EX is knocked out by damage from an attack of the Ultra Beast this card is attached to, take 1 more prize card. That's cool. And I'm not gonna leave more. That's not a rare. Ooh, Volcanion Hollow? Yeah, that's a hollow. That's nice. That's really nice. Not the Alolan Executor and Rowlet, but it's cool. You know what? I'm gonna bring up a picture of the Alolan Executor and Rowlet up on your screen or whatever. Yeah, it's cool. Yeah. I need an Alolan Executor, guys. Fairy Charm. Prevent all damage done to the Fairy type Pokemon this card is attached to by attacks from your opponent's Electric type GX and Electric type Pokemon EX. That's honestly, it's like very specific. Odd. The Evolution Spray, Glameow, and Mewtwo. Ooh. Psyshock. That's nice. That actually goes with the hollow. Because Mewtwo's are really cool. Alolan Executor and Alolan Executor. So, I believe it was Sun and Moon Base, which I did not open. They actually, like, I think it was either Sun and Moon Base or the Ultra Moon Base. They have Cynthia, I believe. Yeah, Cynthia, and it is, like, it's an uncommon trainer, like these, but apparently you only get, like, 2 per box, and oh, Green's Exploration, you can play this. She's in the the manga. Turtle, Gloom, Tangela, and Weezing. Wow. No Alolan Executor and Rowlet to save my life. Oh, man. I'm just gonna bring it up on your computer and maybe a later recording of me actually remembering what I've been trying to tell you guys. Yeah. That's it. Oh, man. I hope you enjoyed it more than I did. Just me messing up all day. The channel where we fail every single day. Thank you guys for watching. We'll see you later. Goodbye. The Alolan Executor and Rowlet card is only available in Japan right now, so all that time I was hoping for a card I couldn't actually pull. Its first attack is free and evolves a basic Pokemon to its final stage of evolution instantly. Its GX attack costs 3 Leaf Energy, and if you touch the more Leaf Energy, it does something cool. I forgot exactly what, but does that really matter? Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. See you guys later.